Hey, how you doing? Nope, I'm not Jerry. I'm the lawnmower lady, and I like fixing small engines. This video is sort of a follow-up video. Think of it as a happy ending, if you will, to this rototiller that has the really questionable brand name. Rotaho? Really? I can't make up stuff like this. Anyway, you might have seen this in a prior video where I had to replace the recoil spring because it was all out of shape, and I serviced the starter clutch because it was just had too much corrosion on the crankshaft. And in that video also, I realized, because I had to have some help from some great people who helped me get through this, because all I ever knew how to do was to just clean up the starter clutch, put everything back together dry. But then I learned from some great minds on a live stream of how you do have to actually put a little bit of light lube, 3-in-1, something like that. But afterwards, I did go ahead and finish with the carburetor. I had to pull the carburetor off. The gaskets got stuck on there pretty badly, and I cleaned it. I had to spin 3 times through the ultrasonic cleaner. It was a mess to get all the varnished gas out of it. I replaced the pump diaphragm on there. It was badly damaged and stuck on there. The gaskets were in horrible shape, and it actually turned out pretty nice. New spark plug, new air filter, new pre-filter, and this thing's finally running. Hey, happy ending, right? New old stock Belleville washer that, as you can see, it's cupped in that direction and kind of dirty, so we're going to clean that up with a little WD-40. So this is cupped in that direction, and it goes on, and as it tightens down, the lip bites into. Dang, wind blowing. Replacing this Belleville washer that is all full of cracks. It had completely collapsed. A little bit of WD-40. Try to clean that up some. If you want to see that video on replacing the recoil spring and also servicing the starter clutch, you can watch this video right here. Mow happy!